Now friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to verify your account with Alpari broker. As you saw in the previous video, we registered with this broker, and now we intend to verify our account. As you can see, we're on the home page of this website, and we can see various options. In this section, we go to My Account. When we first enter this page, we need to click on the Complete My Profile option to fill in our account information like name, date of birth, mobile phone number, and so on. And after filling in this information, you'll enter this page. On this page, as you can see, we need to click on the Upload Documents to Verify option. You agree to the website's rules and then click on the Next option. On the first page, we select the issuing country of the document and the type of document. As you can see, we need to ensure that the document we provide is fully visible in the image box and is completely clear and legible. On this page, we need to give access to our device's camera. We can either give access or continue the process on our mobile phone. Also, there's an option to upload the documents manually. On this page, upload the front and back of your document. After uploading, click Next. On the next page, indicate if the document for proof of residence is in your name. Provide a document related to your residence, such as a bank statement, bills not older than 3 months, or government documents confirming your residence. On this page, as you can see, we need to provide a document related to our place of residence. This document can be a bank statement, various bills that should not be older than 3 months, internet, television, or landline phone bills, tax payment receipts, or any documents received from the government to confirm your place of residence. Also, this document cannot be a screenshot, mobile phone bill, medical documents, or insurance documents. In this section, you upload the front and back of your document and click on the Next option. Well, as you can see, after the identification and residence documents were approved, our account was successfully verified. Review these documents to confirm, and note that this confirmation also has an expiration date that you need to submit on the specified date. Please resubmit your documents. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll be with you to cover various methods for deposits and withdrawals. Wishing you success and profitability. Wishing you success and profitability.